Hi, I'm here to tell you why the travel bag from Sugar Medical is your must-have bag for travel. Take a look at this great bag. 2 pockets, one on the front and the back that you can slip in. A great little ice pack to keep your medications cool. So good for traveling when you're out into those warm areas of the country. You unzip it and organization galore. We got room for a little bit of everything. We got insulin pens, insulin vials, test strips, your glucose meter, pen tips, and insulin wipes, and we also have glucose and some granola bars. So all of your must-haves for travel. When you open up this nice deep section, which is 5 inches deep, I have 2 Dexcom and I have 6 infusion sets for my tandem pump, along with all the necessary cartridges and infusion set changes. So this makes travel a lot easier when I can take everything with me in one bag. And even what's better is it comes with an insulated little pouch. So you can leave this big bulky bag in your hotel room, take this in your purse with your glucose meter and your necessities for the day. And it has room if you want to put an ice pack in there and convert it to keeping your insulin cool. So this bag is definitely a must-have for travel, and it's called the travel bag from Sugar Medical.